Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to group sources in OBS Studio and move multiple sources at once. This is super useful when you want to keep your scene organized or reposition several elements together without having to move them one by one. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it's running and you can see your main workspace, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your scene elements live, and it's where we'll be doing most of our work today. Now, here's where things get interesting. You'll need to select multiple sources that you want to group together. To do this, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each source you want to include in your group. This allows you to select multiple items at once, which is essential for creating an efficient workflow in OBS. You'll notice that each source you click while holding Control gets highlighted, showing that it's been added to your selection. Once you've selected all the sources you want to group, right-click on any of the highlighted sources. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing your selected items. From this menu, click on Group Selected Items. This action bundles all your chosen sources into a single, manageable unit that you can control as one entity. After clicking that option, you'll see a new group appear in your sources list. This group acts as a container for all the sources you just selected, making it much easier to organize complex scenes with many elements. It keeps everything neat and allows you to work more efficiently without cluttering your workspace. If you want to keep your sources panel clean and minimize visual clutter, you can collapse the group by clicking the small arrow icon beside the group name. This hides the individual sources within the group while still keeping them accessible whenever you need them. Now comes the really useful part. If you want to move all these sources together, simply click on the group in your sources panel. This selects the entire group as one unit. From here, you can reposition it anywhere on your canvas by clicking and dragging, or you can resize the entire group by dragging any of the corner handles. This saves you tons of time compared to moving each source individually. Optionally, if you ever need to ungroup these sources and work with them separately again, head back to the Sources panel in the bottom left. Right-click on the group source at the top of your list and select Ungroup from the menu. This breaks the group apart and returns all the sources to their individual states. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to group sources in OBS Studio and move them together efficiently. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.